So, quick update while we stare at Red's face. After an hour of not realizing that there's a bolt here, we got the cross member that holds up the bottom part of the transmission off. Wolf's kind of just sitting there chilling. So, we're gonna take some headers out. Guess I'll go ahead and give you guys an update on what's going on and what that actually is. So, that is the piece that spans right there, which is why the Y pipe kind of bends over it, and it supports the transmission. Right now we got a jack supporting the transmission. But yeah, I think we can get these headers out in one piece. We're gonna find out, and we'll get back to you when we do. Hey guys, we're back with another update. Ty here again. Wow, my face looks, my face looks about as wide as a polar bear right now. So, a quick update, we have battle scars now. We're both bleeding like a mother heifer. Knuckles are gone. Yep. There's a dog way down there. And, yeah, if you'll follow me real quick, we'll walk out here. And there's one of them. So, we've had to resort to cutting because the catalytic converter bolts did not come off of the header. So, yeah, we just ended up cutting them off, so probably, what are we gonna do next, Red? What are we gonna do with the other one?
We gotta cut the other one, because more pieces are not coming off.
Yeah, pretty much. Wolf, how are you doing over there?
We're just gonna cut another one.
Wolf wants to die. Alrighty, so I'm gonna hand the camera to you.
Alright, let me get up.
He's got his safety glasses on.
I got my safety goggles.
I've got my safety glasses on, even though they're sunglasses.
Alright, let's get this here. We're gonna go to the side while Ty works on this. We're just gonna...
Ty's getting his junk done today. I'm making my money.
That piece in half to get the header all the way down.
Yep.
So we're just gonna watch. We're just gonna watch Ty work and hope that another metal blade off this Sawzall does not bend.
Fingers crossed I have one more as a backup. I only have one more left. Yeah, as you can see, that's what happened to the other blade.
Yeah, it's
Bent the hell and back, so.
Yeah, here we go, guys. That's what happened to the second one. It's not in the best shape. Yeah, it's good.
All right, ready?
You're done, partner.
3, 2, 1. Damn. Whew, another one bent.
Is it just like not cutting the rest of it?
Yeah, it did the same thing last time. I think the blade got a little too hot for a minute.
I'll just snap the rest of it.
I think I can get it out. I can't get the blade out right now. It's blade's like stuck in there.
Well, that sucks.
Yep. Okay. Lord have mercy on these things sometimes.
All right, Ty, you want to go ahead and pull out the last header?
Yes. I'm plugging there. Safety first, guys.
Yeah, that's no problem.
Oh shit, that's hot.
Here we go, guys. The last header before we install the new ones. And there we go.
If you've ever wondered what a catalytic converter looks like on the inside, it looks like that.
Can't really see it. Yeah, there's a little bit of mesh.
You know, knock it out just for fun. Not really.
Want to do what?
Knock it out just for fun.
Woo. Okay, well, those are never getting used again now.
Yeah. No, I'm just gonna give this back to you.
Let me get it back to me.
Just because of...
So, one of us apparently doesn't know how to do this right. Alright. We did it. Got a lot done. Break time? I'm just kidding. We're going to go ahead and...
Today. I know.
By the way, just to prove, yes, we did do that. Yes, that is all our work. You just saw it. We actually do work here. But, yeah, we'll see you when we have the new headers in.
It's not like it took 2 days.
It is now day 3 of the build. This has turned out to be quite the endeavor we have partaken upon. Red and Wolf are not here today. I don't think Wolf is coming, and I think Red may be coming a lot later in the day. But I decided to go ahead and start working on it. So one of the problems we've run into is the, well, I might as well show you. the dump pipes that I purchased, which are 3-inch turn downs essentially, are not going to work because if you can see where the header comes out, it's going to dump right onto the transmission mount bracket, which is definitely not a good thing. Definitely not a good thing. And that's one of the big problems we're running into, so I'm going to go ahead and get a Y pipe. So it'll go down there, go that way, it should dump over that bracket. So apparently that's the problem we're having right now. Other than that, the headers are in. I'm torquing them down right now. They look really freaking amazing down in there. Aside from that one bolt way back in there being a complete butt. But that's just the start of the day 3 update. Stick around, guys. This is gonna be loud when we do the first cold start because it's still about 60-ish degrees outside. So it's about 70 in the shop because subwoofers. Anybody who has subwoofers knows that they can heat up a shop pretty quick. So, yeah, we will, or at least I will see you either when Red gets here or when something major happens. So, woo!
All right, guys, what's going on? It's Red here. Got Ty over here. We have just finished putting the headers on. Everything is bolted up and ready to go. Now Ty is just about to lower the truck back down off of the jack stand so we can go ahead and get this beast started. Everything here is all buttoned up and ready to go. We just have to lower it down, connect the battery back, and we should be good to go.
This is user tired.
Ty is very tired right now. He's been working on this all day, and I just got here probably about 30 minutes ago.
For the past 2 days, I've been working on this from about 10 to 6. And Friday, we were working on it from about 3 to 10. 3 to 9, and I worked on it for another couple hours after you.
Yeah, it's been a long couple days.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, hopefully she doesn't throw a code. Hopefully she cranks her on the first go. Everything's back together, right?
Everything's back together. All the grounds are hooked up. Every spark plug and spark plug wire, everything's good to go.
And we got power again.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Now we have power again. As soon as Ty tightens that down, we'll be good to go. I'm so excited, bro.
My heart's starting to race a little bit. I won't deny that.
I'm kind of shaking right now.
I'm a little concerned and I kind of want to push it out a bit so it doesn't crank inside the garage.
Just so it's not as like loud and echoey, pretty much.
Yeah. I'm gonna close this.
Do you want to throw it neutral and we'll push it back some?
Pretty much. That's what I'm gonna do.
All right.
Hold on. Don't start until I get the camera. Oh god, it's either gonna throw a code or it's gonna man the heck up. Alright, Sylvia.
All right, here we go. First startup with new headers.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god! Oh my god! No! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy crap!
That's so loud. It's insane.
Oh my god! Dude, that startup was so freaking high. I was shaking.
Oh, this is Beast SS, by the way.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Rolling around a little bit.
It's like seriously calmed down.
Sounds like it's got a cam.
That sounds really good though. lights on.
Oh, yeah, I got lighting.
Ooh, look at those lights. He's all stealthy now. Oh man. We're going for a ride, boys. We're going for a ride.
Peace. Thank you.
Oh my god, guys. This is this is absolutely insane, dude. This thing is so freaking loud right now. We're sorry. Or are we? No, I don't think we're sorry.
I can't even say anything. I'm speechless.
Guys, this is that is stupid, dude.
So, next up is probably going to be a supercharger and a camshaft.
Oh man, that's just this.
But for that, we're gonna probably get some drag raid and head down to the drag strip
Yeah, we'll
down there in Gainesville. Holy cow, guys, I cannot begin to tell you how stupid loud this thing is right now. It's crazy. Anyways, I super hope you guys enjoyed the last couple of vlogs. We got some more awesome content coming to you in the future. So be sure to hit the subscribe button. Be sure to leave a like. Leave both. Why not both? Leave us a like and a like. And a comment below with what you think maybe we should do to this truck before we hit the drag strip come next racing season. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. My name is Ty from Baker Auto Detail. Red and Wolf both send their best regards. They're not here with me right now. But yeah, we will see you guys next time.